A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. And as you all know, I am your English teacher. My name is Priyanka. In today's class, we will continue with the exercise number E. Yesterday, we completed exercises till D, and here I am on page number 127 of your grammar book. So students, let us begin the class with the exercise number E. Quickly, you all have to write it down. Alright, let us do it. Use the correct past forms of the verbs given in the brackets to complete the sentence below. In this chapter, I have explained you various forms of the past tense, and those various forms we have to use here. Alright, so see here the first one. He thanked me for what I dash. So here do is given, so I have used here he thanked me for what I had done. Alright, what I had done. So yesterday I told you had plus past participle means which tense we are using? We are using the past perfect tense here. Alright, similarly we have to use different forms of past tense in these blanks. Second is we dash not see Mohit all morning and dash where he dash. So not see, we had not seen Mohit all morning, and past tense of wonder is wondered where he was. Alright, be form of verb we have to use here. The headmaster dashed to see you in his office this morning. Past tense of want is wanted. The taxi driver dashed to the fair and dashed us to the school. Past tense of agree is agreed. And drive, the past tense of drive here is drove. Yes, write the correct spelling. It is D-R-O-V-E, drove. Next is the fifth sentence. The sun dash and the night dash quickly. Past tense of set is set only, and the past tense of descend is descended. The sun set and the night descended quickly. Sixth one, please dash out in large numbers to cast, sorry, I read it wrong. People dash out in large numbers to cast their vote. So the past tense of come is came. People came out in large numbers to cast their vote. The children asked their teacher a lot of questions. So yes, the past tense of ask is asked. Eighth one is we had reached the station when the train arrived. Had reached. This is the past perfect tense. We are using had plus the past participle of reach, and this is the simple past tense. Past tense of arrive is arrived. Yes, this is D. Next is he dash that he dash all their money in the bank. Past tense of know is knew. He knew that he had kept, past tense of keep, and had kept is past perfect. He had kept all their money in the bank. I wanted him to bring the file sooner, and he did. Again, we have used the past tense of want and the past tense of do. Now students, we will be understanding the past perfect continuous tense. Earlier we read about past perfect tense. Now we have continuous also. So for learning about past perfect continuous tense, first we need to learn about the structure. The structure is had been plus ing form of the main verb. What is the structure? Had been plus ing form of the main verb. Now see here the examples. Karan had been plus ing form of the main verb. Work became working for 5 hours when the bell rang, right? So had been plus ing form of the main verb. Next is they had been living in Bilaspur for 10 years before they moved to Mysore. Again, I have used had been and the ing form of the main verb. So in each of these sentences, we talk of an action that started in the past and continued up until another time in the past. We use the past perfect continuous tense to talk about such actions. So this is the explanation that where do we use past perfect tense? When we talk about an action that is started in the past and continued up till the other time in the past. Alright, so this is the explanation that where we make use of past perfect tense. And in the beginning only I told you that it is very important to know the structure, that how you have to write the sentences in past perfect continuous tense. So the structure here is had been plus ing form of the main verb. If the main verb is walk, it will become walking. If the main verb is dance, it will become dancing. If the main verb is teach, it will become teaching. See here the example. Had been walking, had been teaching, had been swimming, had been eating. Alright, so you will be adding ing to the main verb. Now see how you have to form the negative sentences in past perfect continuous tense. It is again the same as I explained you in the past perfect tense. You just have to add not after had. Alright, had not been cleaning, had not been eating, had not been talking. It is just simple as it was in the past perfect tense. Similarly, you just have to add not here. And for making the interrogative sentence, what you have to do? Yes, exactly the same thing that we were doing earlier. The interrogative is formed by bringing the helping verb had to the beginning of the sentence. Alright, the subjects come between the auxiliary verb and the ing form of the main verb. Simple. If the sentence is Dhawan had been working on this answer all through yesterday. Now I have to make the question. Don't look here in the answer. See, had will come in the front. Had Dhawan been working on this answer all through yesterday? Just had will come in the beginning of the sentence. Next is they had been playing all evening. So what will be the question? Had they been playing all evening? Question mark. It is just the same as I explained you in the past perfect tense. Now, I hope now the concept is clear to you all. So, on the basis of this concept, we will be doing this exercise. Use the correct tense form in the following sentences. Alright? I dash in the garden for 2 hours when it started to rain. Work is given, so you will write I had been working. Next is the baby dash all day. The baby had been ing form of sleep. Yes, sleeping. Poonam dash for exams and she did not score well. Not studying. So what you will do? Poonam had not been studying for the exams. Next one is Tarun dash so he lost the match. Tarun had not been practicing. Gagan dash football for a long time. Gagan had been playing football for a long time. They dash in Kerala for most of their lives. Live is the main verb given. So how you will change it? It is very simple. You will simply say they had been living in Kerala for most of their lives. Seventh one is I dash mathematics for several years and had come quite good at it. This is study. This is the main verb. So what will be the what you are going to use here in this dash? It will be I had been studying mathematics. Next, eighth one, the children dash in the garden for few hours. Sit is given, so it will be the children had been sitting. Yes, ing form of the main verb. Understood? So this was the whole concept of past perfect continuous tense, and this way you are going to complete the exercises. I hope now you will complete this chapter. I will also provide you the PDF of this chapter, and you all will start learning for your half yearly exams too. And I hope that you will complete your work as soon as possible. Thank you so much, class.